Welcome back, everyone. You may have an issue with your AirPods, or for some reason, there's a bunch of crackling sounds within your specific device. Now, as always, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I would recommend doing, though, is to actually make sure that your AirPods don't have any faultiness going on with them. If they're very, very old AirPods, they may have some hardware problems. So it doesn't matter how many videos you watch, there can be some issues that come up. So that's the first thing I just want to kind of let you guys know about that. Now, next thing is to actually go ahead and make sure your AirPods are clean of any dust, debris, earwax, whatever the case is. If you have a bunch of that kind of stuff on your specific AirPods, there can be some issues. So what I'd recommend doing is cleaning out your AirPods as thoroughly as you can. You want to go and make sure there's no earwax or anything on these, but you also want to go ahead and make sure that there's no specific, earwax inside of your case either. As long as your AirPods are able to be charged up and everything, then you should be good to go. You also want to clean out the bottom of this thing, and you want to go and let them sit there, and you want to go ahead and let them charge up for a while. As long as they're fully charged and everything, you should be okay. I've had a lot of issues where my AirPods would randomly stop working and everything, and that was pretty much due to earwax or just them not being connected properly, to be honest. Now, another thing I'd recommend doing is to actually repair your AirPods to your iPhone or Android. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to look in the back of your AirPods. You'll have a little reset button right here. Every single pair of AirPods has this, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and hold down that button until you see this white light, and you want to start to see when it starts blinking. Now, at this point, you want to go ahead and bring your iPhone over, and you should be able to see this little pop-up come up. All you want to do is go and click connect, and it'll go ahead and allow you to pretty much set up these AirPods as you normally would. And that's pretty much the process. As of this point, you pretty much just have to go through, and you pretty much try putting them back in your ear, and you want to see if that fixes it. Another thing that can possibly happen is if you're in an area that has a lot of interference, or if your AirPods are very, very far away from your iPhone, there may be some issues where there's just not a lot of Bluetooth connection from your device, and that can also cause some issues. So if you're working out, right, and you're at the gym, and your iPhone is completely on the other side of the room, and you're in a massive, gym, well, there's a lot of times where there's so much stuff in between you and the AirPods that basically you won't be able to hear it, and it's just going to crackle, and it's just not going to sound good. So that's another really big thing to keep in mind. If your AirPods are super far away, that's pretty much the main way this happens. Besides it being a hardware problem, that's another thing that can happen too. So that's pretty much it for the most part, a couple different ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.